There are cities you visit to see history. And then there's Florence, where you actually walk through it. Welcome to the cradle of the Renaissance.
The Duomo, designed by Brunelleschi, a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture. Heart of Florence, Piazza della Signoria, and the historic Palazzo Vecchio. And of course, Michelangelo's David, a symbol of strength and human achievement. Cross the historic Ponte Vecchio.
Florentine cuisine is not flashy. It is absolute. The finest ingredients, treated with complete conviction and nothing more. Experience the beauty of the Chianti Hills. An escape into Tuscany's countryside.
Florence isn't just a city, it's a timeless story. Come and discover the magic for yourself. Thanks.
The full Florence guide, hotels, restaurants, private experiences, and a 3-day itinerary is at thegildedgondola.com.
We travel so you can travel better. Bye for now.